Next problem, problem number 9. Problem number 9. Show that A equal to x1i, y1j, z1k and b equal to x2i plus y2j plus z2k are like vectors if x1 by x2, y1 by y2, z1 by z2 equal to constant lambda greater than 0. Unlike vectors, if x1 by x2 equal to y1 by y2 equal to z1 by z2 equal to lambda, but lambda is less than 0. Same thing what we have done in the previous problem. Like vectors, their ratios are equal and that ratio should be greater than 0. Unlike vector, again ratios are equal but the ratio is negative. Just a previous case. Yes, let us take this. A equal to given A equal to x1i, y1j, z1k, b equal to x2i, y2j, z2k. A and B are like vectors. A and B are like vectors. A and B are like vector means what you have done in the previous problem. B should be, or one vector should be, positive scalar times another vector. Lambda is greater than 0. Correct, no? One is a scalar multiple of the other, then the vectors are said to be like vectors. Just we have done in the previous example. Or x1i, y1j, z1k equal to lambda into x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Or x1i, y1j, z1k equal to lambda x2i, lambda y2j, lambda z2k. Or two vectors are equal means coefficient of corresponding I, j, k are equal. Implies x1 equal to lambda x2, y1 equal to lambda y2, z1 equal to lambda z2, because coefficient of I, j, k are equal. Two vectors are equal if and only if coefficient of I, j, k on both sides are equal. From this, x1 by x2 equal to lambda, y1 by y2 equal to lambda, z1 by z2 equal to lambda. Or x1 by x2, y1 by y2, z1 by z2 equal to lambda, because all are equal to lambda, greater than 0. This is the required condition. In order to verify whether the given two vectors are like vectors, straight away you can find the ratios. If this ratio is equal and positive, they are like vectors. If the ratios are equal and negative, unlike vector. So you need not prove the second one. Straight away let me write. Similarly, we can prove that if A and B are unlike vectors, then x1 by x2, y1 by y2, z1 by z2 equal to once again lambda but less than 0. Very simple method to show that the vectors are like vector and unlike vector. Whatever may be the value, lambda, whether it is positive or negative, if the ratio is equal, they are collinear vector. Particularly if the ratio is positive, like vector, negative, unlike vector. Totally, if it is constant, they are collinear, that's all. For collinear vectors, you have to prove only ratios are equal, enough. Don't see the sign of the ratio, positive or negative. Particularly if it is asked to show that it is like vector, then it should be positive. Unlike vector, it should be negative. Right? So, let me use this property to solve one problem, so that this particular formula is clear. Problem number 10. Show that, let me give 3 problems in the same one. A equal to 5i plus 7j plus 2k. B equal to minus 10i minus 14j minus 4k are collinear vectors. A equal to 3i plus 5j, B equal to 9i plus 15j are like vectors. Third one, A equal to I plus 3j minus k and B minus 7i minus 21j plus 7k are unlike vectors. All the questions are there. See, 3 problems, collinear. You need not bother about the sign of the constant ratio. But sign of the ratio should be positive for like vector. Sign of the ratio should be negative for unlike. Any sign for the collinear vector. Yes, problem number 1. A equal to 5i plus 7j plus 2k. B equal to minus 10i minus 14j minus 4k. x1 5, y1 7, z1 2. x2 minus 10, y2 minus 14, z2 minus 4. x1 by x2. 5 by minus 10 minus half. y1 by y2. 7 by minus 14 minus half. z1 by z2. 2 divided by minus 4 minus half. Don't see the sign of the ratio. Totally they are equal, no? Since, conclusion, x1 by x2 y1 by y2, z1 by z2. Enough. The vectors A and B are collinear. Only the ratio, if they are equal, you can say that they are collinear. But particularly in order to show that it is like vector, this ratio should be positive. If it is negative, unlike vector. Anyway, two more problems are there, no? Let me take the second one there. A equal to, second one, A equal to 3i plus 5j, two-dimensional vector. B equal to 9i minus 15j. x1 3, y1 5, x2 9, y2 15. x1 by x2, 3 by 9, 1 by 3. y1 by y2, 5 by 15, 1 by 3. x1 by x2 equal to y1 by y2 equal to, that constant is required greater than 0. They are collinear. Not only collinear, they are like vectors. A and B are like vectors. Remember, ratio equal for the collinearity of the vectors. Ratio is positive, like vector. Ratio negative, unlike vector. Third one I have given as an example for the unlike vector. Let me do that one also. I plus 3j minus k. B is minus 7i minus 21j minus plus 7k. x1 1, y1 3, z1 minus 1. x2 minus 7, y2 minus 21, z2 7. x1 by x2, 1 by minus 7, minus 1 by 7. y1 by y2, 3 by minus 21, once again minus 1 by 7. z1 by z2, minus 1 by 7. No doubt minus 1 by 7 itself. Remember, since x1 by x2 equal to y1 by y2 equal to z1 by z2 equal to minus 1 by 7, clearly less than 0, A and B are unlike vectors. Now I think you got the idea clearly. What do you mean by collinear vector? What do you mean by like vector? What do you mean by unlike vector? Right? Yes? Let me write next one. Problem number 11. Problem number 11. If A equal to 5i plus 2j minus 3k, B equal to 8i minus j plus 2k, two different vectors, then find see, actually there are how many questions I am seeing there? About 9 questions are there, sub questions. Anyway, let me write one by one. A plus B, you have to find A plus B. Simple, but there are 9 questions given. Second one is how to find A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. Third one is 2a minus 3b. See careful. 2a minus 3b. Fourth one, unit vector a cap. Fifth one, magnitude of the vector 3a plus 2b. Let us do one by one. For the same vector A and B given here, you have to find all these sub-questions. Sixth one, unit vector in the direction of, unit vector in the direction of, careful, 5a plus 4b. Seventh one, vector having, find a vector having magnitude 12. Magnitude 12 in the direction of, magnitude 12 in the direction of, in the direction of 7a minus b. Careful. Eighth one, direction ratio of the vector, direction ratio of the vector 6a plus 2b. And the last one is direction cosine of the vector, direction cosine of the vector, cosine of the vector 6a plus 2b. See the thing carefully. Same vector given a and b, but sub questions are 9. But all are very simple. Straight away you can obtain the answers. However, let me start with this. A and B are given, write once again. 5i 2j minus 3k. B equal to 8i minus j plus 2k. Answer for the first question. Let me start one by one. A plus B equal to, what you have to do? Adding the coefficient of 5 plus 8i, 2 minus 1j, minus 3 plus 2k over x1 plus x2i, y1 plus y2j, z1 plus z2k. Formula. Properties, you have written 10 property, no? This is the first one. Addition of vector. Just add the coefficient of I, j, k. Answer is 13i plus j, 1j, minus k, minus 1 into k. Answer is this. Clear, no? 5 plus 8, 2 minus 1, minus 3 plus 2. Second one is a minus b. 5 minus 8 I, 2 minus of minus 1 j, minus 3 minus 2 k. Sign is plus only, but you have to subtract the coefficients. Go back to the properties of vectors. x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. Answer is I, 2 plus 1, 3j minus 5k, or minus 3i plus 3j minus 5k. This is a minus b. A plus b over, a minus b also over. Come to the third problem. Third one is 2a minus 3b. Write carefully. 2a minus 3b. 2 into a, 5i plus 2j minus 3k. Minus 3 into b is 8i. B is 8i minus j plus 2k equal to 10i 4j minus 6k minus 24i 3 into 8 minus into minus plus 3j minus 6k. Final answer is 10i minus 24i minus 14i, 4j plus 3j plus 7j minus 6 minus 6 minus 12k over minus 14i plus 7j minus 12k is 2a minus 3b vector. See the answer correctly. Right? Problem number third one over. Fourth one. Find a cap. Fourth one is find a cap. Fourth one. A cap is vector A by mod A. First find mod A equal to root of, or it is A 5 square 2 square minus 3 square equal to 25 4 9 38 13 38. So A cap equal to vector A 5i plus 2j minus 3k vector A divided by mod A. But you are writing this one as 1 by root 38 5i plus 2j minus 3k. Unit vector in the direction of A is this, A by mod A. Calculate mod A, then write the answer. Instead of writing divided by root 38, just write 1 by root 38 into the vector. Problem number fifth one. Problem number fifth one. 3a plus 2b. 3a plus 2b equal to 3 into 5i plus 2j minus 3k. 2 into 8i minus j plus 2k. 15i 6j minus 9k. 16i minus 2j plus 4k. Or it is 31i 4j 6 minus 2 4j minus 5k. 15 plus 16 31. 6 minus 2 4 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. This is 3a plus 2b. 3a plus 2b equal to root of 31 square 4 square minus 5 square equal to 961 plus 16 plus 25 or 41,002 172 34019 root of 1002 7 12 1 3 4 0 1 10. Root of 1002.